These baked lamb meatballs are so tender and juicy. They're packed with Moroccan flavors and one of my favorite weeknight recipes. The instructions couldn't be more simple. We're basically just combining all of our ingredients in a bowl. So I've got ground lamb, an egg, some breadcrumbs, a grated onion, some grated garlic, as well as minced parsley, minced cilantro, and then a blend of cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Everything gets mixed together until evenly combined, and then it's time to shape your meatballs. I am a big fan of using a cookie scooper to make sure that you've got evenly sized meatballs. This just helps to ensure that when they're baking in the oven, they all bake evenly. But I still recommend using a meat thermometer to make sure they come to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And after about 20 minutes, you've got these perfectly cooked meatballs with such minimal effort. They go great in pita bread, with yogurt, couscous, fresh veggies, in a salad. You really can't go wrong with these.